Triple pane windows have become a popular choice for homeowners due to their advanced technology and multiple layers of glass. These windows provide superior insulation, resulting in greater energy efficiency than single or double pane windows. Let's take a deeper look into the 6 main benefits of triple pane windows. Number 1. Improved insulation. Triple pane windows feature 3 layers of glass with 2 insulating air pockets, reducing heat transfer and improving insulation against the elements. Number 2. Enhanced soundproofing. The multiple layers of glass in triple pane windows provide superior sound insulation, reducing outside noise pollution for a quieter indoor environment. Number 3. Increased durability. With an extra layer of glass, triple pane windows are more resistant to breakage and damage, ensuring long-lasting performance and reduced maintenance costs. Number 4. Reduced condensation. The additional glass layer in triple pane windows helps minimize condensation by maintaining a warmer inner pane temperature, preventing moisture buildup and potential mold growth. Number 5. Enhanced security. Triple pane windows offer increased security compared to single or double pane windows, as the multiple layers of glass provide a strong barrier against forced entry. 6. Improved home value. Installing triple pane windows can increase the overall value of a home, as they are considered a desirable feature due to their energy efficiency, durability, and added benefits. Pro Replacement Windows specializes in helping homeowners find the perfect replacement windows for your home at the best possible prices. To get a free instant quote for replacement windows, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.